What is going on, YouTube? This is your boy Endless checking back in with another video. Today we're going to be doing a room tour. This is a review. As you know, on this channel we do reviews and tech and all sorts of stuff. Now we are at the Hyatt Place in room 703. This is the King Suite. So let's go on ahead and walk in. All right. So we are walking into the room. Let's go on ahead and find the light switch here. Wow. Big table, screen. So as soon as you walk in, you have your area here. You have a fridge down here. Now this is the fridge. There is not a freezer compartment in here. It's just a fridge. And there's drink holders over here. You have a microwave, you got cabinets all up here. It's very beautiful. It smells very clean in here. I wish there was a smell-o-vision, but it's very clean. And you have a sink here. I have a flat plate that I brought with me so I can cook up here. The only thing I wish is that this room had a stove. Over here is the living area. It's the living room. This is a big room, guys. I mean, this is pretty big. We got the flat screen TV. We have the couch over here. Plenty of space here. They actually say that this pulls into a pull-out couch. And this is what the pull-out couch looks like. And it's a small, it's about that thick, so it's not bad, but you still have a pull-out couch. There's an extra bed. There's no pillows for it, but they do give you some covers or pillowcases or sheets. Yeah, it looks like they came with both. So if you went downstairs, they'd probably give you some extra pillows. So we have little chairs here. Let's go ahead and cut this light on. It's a nice room. It's nice and cool. This is a huge room though. So let's go on ahead. Let's walk into the bedroom. As soon as you walk in, here's the air conditioning and heat. So now when you walk in here, this is basically 2 rooms in one. I mean, there's a lot of room here. Look at that beautiful king size bed. You have the TV up here. You would think that they would have 2 beds in here, honestly, considering the size of this. I mean, this is a huge suite. This is also a fold-out couch. So you walk in here, you got some closet space here for storage. Big closets. Oh, and look at that. There's another thermostat. Whoa. All right, no exaggeration, guys. This is really cool. I can do jumping jacks in this bathroom, okay? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Hey, if you're enjoying this, hit that like and subscribe button. But this is a beautiful room. The shower has a lot of room. Let's walk in here. Look, guys. Okay, I know you can't see me, but I can almost do a jumping jack in the shower. I mean, this shower is huge. So you could take a shower for 2 if you know what I mean. We're gonna keep it family friendly, so. But yeah, this is the room. This is a beautiful room. I'm very impressed with it. Now let's go on ahead and let's walk out to the porch because this looks like a humongous porch. Unlock this. Wow. So you can still see the ocean from here. You can see the waves. This is the hotel next door. But also the other reason why this room is really nice is because you have a beautiful view of the bay. The bay is right back there, so you can actually watch the sunset from up here. The other thing that's really cool is that this room actually has 2 porches in it. So let's walk on over to that other porch, which is right here. But overall, this is a beautiful room. I'm very impressed. I'm excited to stay here. And if you're looking forward to booking your next Ocean City trip, this is the place to be. And the reason why I say that is because this hotel is dog friendly. Not many hotels here in Ocean City are dog friendly, but this one happens to be dog friendly. So that's another reason why we stay here. So if you're thinking about booking, I don't have a referral link or anything, but go to Hyatt.com and they'll get you hooked up. This is your boy Endless. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.